What's going on, K family? Welcome back to the channel. Just woke up here from a nice long nap. It's my day off today, and the first thing that came to my mind when I woke up is like, man, I woke up and I was like, oh man, I really want to bang. So I did. Oh hey, what's going on? So I guess you tuned in because you're interested in what I'm going to talk about in this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how I managed to acquire a few bumpers that I'm going to be painting. Now, knowing me and knowing this channel, we do everything here at the lowest expense possible. The fact is, we're not monetized right now. We're not making any profits from YouTube. So until that time comes, until we start getting some income, we have to keep expenses low. I mean, hell, this camera I'm recording on costs more than I ever probably will make on YouTube right now. Ugh, so disappointing. Oh, hey, sorry about the sun glare I just filmed for you guys. Hopefully your eyes are okay. But let me show you guys a sneak peek that I filmed of me getting one of the pieces that we are going to paint. Now, I don't know if this is even legal or not, but I'm going to show you this clip and you be the judge. Comment below if that is legal. All right, we pulled over. And we're gonna go ahead and get this taken care of. Oh shit, we got it. Alright, this is gonna be some quick 0 to 60 action right now. Alright, everything went well. Not too bad. So everything went well. So we're gonna get off the highway right now. There's another side skirt we found somewhere. So we're gonna go pick up that side skirt right now. So this is awesome because that's gonna give us 2 pieces we can practice painting on, which is awesome. You don't have to pay for practicing parts. I mean, sure, I can go buy a fender and practice on it, but why? I'm already gonna be wasting money on guns, accessories, paints. Why not mess up for free? All right, so we got 3 pieces. We got 2 front bumpers and a side skirt. Now, the first bumper is the Mazda 3 bumper, which is cracked and half broken, but it is a factory primered, I believe, bumper. It could be either raw plastic or a primered plastic that's ready for paint. Not exactly sure. Then the rear bumper we found on the highway is from a Pontiac GA GT. Now, some of you boys in Australia know what I'm talking about. We're talking about the Holden. Greetings from the US. That's a very nice bumper to find, I guess, but it does have some damage, and we'll go over that in a little bit. And the side skirt is actually from a unknown car because I can't really tell what car it belongs on. So I'll show you guys the plastic pieces up front right now, so hopefully you guys will be able to tell me what car it's even off of, because I'm not really sure. Oh, and if you're wondering why everything's so quiet and calm and chill, is because, man, I'm just getting over flu or cold or whatever it is in the last couple days, and man, I am beat. It's probably this weather. Last video, which was the compressor video, probably is the reason why I got sick, but let's get it. so we got quite a bit of inventory right here, and let's check it out. All right, this looks like how there's some vinyl protecting this portion of the side skirt. I don't know how this happened, how this got damaged, but it is what it is. It's got a nice metallic paint in there, and I'm trying to figure out what car it could be from, but I'm not sure what car this could be. There are some stickers here, but I cannot read them, so I'm not sure exactly. What do you guys think though? Not sure. The next piece we're gonna be using, and this is probably gonna be the first piece we're gonna be practicing painting on, is this Mazda 3 bumper. Definitely needs some cleaning. Pretty much half of it is torn off, but that is good. This half will be perfect for practicing painting on. We just got to make sure whether this is raw plastic, which needs special prep, or this is primered already from factory, which will be easier to paint. And the last piece is from the Pontiac G8 GT. Now, I don't know how lucky I was to find this thing on the expressway, but it does have some damage. I'm not sure how this fell off the dang car, whether it was racing, accident, but this thing looked like it skid on the highway for some time. It fell off the car and then it just rolled, skid. I mean, it pretty much burned through the whole bumper, as you can see, all on the driver's side. This is probably a aftermarket bumper, as you can see. I don't think factory cars come with these things. This is an aftermarket bumper which was repainted. Pretty good paint job overall. Actually, look, no, we got the factory GM sticker here, so maybe it is original, but you can see in some of the areas the paint just chipped away. Some of the tabs are broken. This side though, it looks real good. And we even got the lower diffuser here, but it does have some damage to it on that driver's side right over there. But this is gonna be also great to paint on. It's a nice big piece, so we'll experiment on there as well. So this is the free parts we picked up that are gonna help us learn how to paint at a very, very affordable rate. All right, thank you for watching, everybody. If you are new to the channel, we will be learning how to spray paint automotive panels and stuff like that. We got a Harbor Freight spray gun that we bought. We are setting up, and we got some paint that we will talk about in the next video, what kind of paint it is, and I'll fill you guys in on some of the different types of paints that are there, because that topic is very, very confusing, and I don't think it needs to be that confusing. Until then, guys, don't forget to bang that like button. And I'm not sponsored, but I wish I was. Then I'd be banging every day.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.